The question, should I become an overseas citizen of India, has been pondered by many persons of Indian origin residing outside India. According to the Ministry of External Affairs India, as of 2013, there were approximately 1,359,467 OCI approvals. London and New York have the highest number of OCI approved. This number has most likely increased in the years since, indicating a growing interest in this unique form of visa status. And this seems to remain the case for the next few years. There are several advantages to becoming an overseas citizen of India. As an OCI, you have the right to live and work in India indefinitely. This can be especially beneficial if you have business or investment interests in the country. You would also be exempt from having to report your presence to the jurisdictional FRO or FRO, a requirement for other types of long-term visas. Also, it may make NRO banking a little more accessible. In addition to living and working rights, an OCI card also provides several other benefits. You can own property in India, enjoy parity with non-resident Indians in financial and economic matters, and other advantages. For those with strong ties to India, these can make the process associated with the advantages of OCI easier. For example, if proof of Indian origin is required for banking purposes, in comparison to a number of other documents, an OCI would supersede. However, becoming an OCI is not without its drawbacks. For instance, you won't have the right to vote or hold public office. You also can't purchase agricultural or plantation properties. And while you're granted many of the same rights as an NRI, you're not a citizen. Above this, the critical area individuals find challenging is the process involved in applying for OCI, from documentation to the actual application form. Ultimately, the decision to become an overseas citizen of India is a personal one that depends on your circumstances and needs. It's crucial to weigh the pros and cons and consider how they align with your long-term plans. Whether you choose to become an OCI or not, it's clear that this status offers unique advantages for those with strong ties to India. Lastly, here is the legal definition of an OCI. The OCI cardholder, including a PIO cardholder, is a foreign national holding passport of a foreign country and is not a citizen of India. I hope that was helpful. I'm Indira from Whitecroft Ford.